Have you ever landed somewhere, opened up your suitcase, and immediately realized, I forgot it? Now you're spending the first hour of your vacation looking for a pharmacy, a charger, sunscreen, medication, and something that you should already have. Because that used to be me every single trip. And it didn't matter if I was traveling for 2 days or for 2 weeks. I always forgot something. So eventually I got tired of relying on my memory and created one simple checklist. Now, every time I travel, I go through that list before I even pack my suitcase. And today, that's exactly what's on it. I'm giving you the checklist for free in the description. Hey y'all, if you're new here, I'm Crystal from Chris Joy Travel. I work a full-time 9 to 5. I'm a travel advisor, and I love to show people that traveling doesn't have to be expensive. Because honestly, vacations should start before you leave the house. Not after you realize that you forgot all of your traveling essentials. So let's get into it. That made me create this checklist was when I was going to Jamaica for the very first time for my birthday. It was for my 42nd birthday, and I'm in the Uber ride to JFK thinking, I know I'm forgetting something. Does that ever happen to you? You're literally sitting on the plane thinking, what am I missing? And then halfway through my trip, it hits me. I forgot my insulin, and I have 1 day left on this cartridge. I did not get travel insurance, and I could not get any assistance from the private or the public hospitals. Now, luckily, my travel guide, Kirk, from Kirk Dream Tours Jamaica, was able to save the day. But I had to pay out of pocket and waste spending my vacation money replacing things that I already had at home. And after that whole ordeal is when I said, okay, Crystal, we're not doing this anymore. The first thing I check is my travel documents. Passport, driver's license, boarding pass, hotel confirmations, travel insurance, because without those, the rest don't even honestly matter. I also check my passport expiration date because a lot of countries require it to be valid several months after your trip. So don't let your expired passport ruin your vacation before it even starts. Next, I check my wallet. Credit cards, debit cards, some cash. And I always ask myself, if one of those stop working, what is my backup? That one question has saved me so much stress. Then I move on to my phone. Phone charger, portable chargers, charging cables, power adapter if I'm traveling internationally. Because let's get real, our phones are basically our boarding pass, our GPS, our camera, our video, our wallet, and our emergency contact all in one. Now, if you're watching this thinking, this is exactly why I don't plan trips. And I completely understand. Planning can be so overwhelming, especially when you're juggling work, family, and everything else that life throws at you. And that's exactly why I became a travel advisor. I help people plan trips without all of the stress, researching flights, hotels, transportation, and all of the fine details. So if you'd rather have someone help you put all of that together, my travel inquiry form is linked down below. Now, let's get back to that checklist. Next is health. Medication, contacts or glasses, travel size toiletries, comfortable shoes. And ladies, please don't pack brand new shoes for vacation. Your feet is worth better than that. And then let's go to the carry-on. I always make sure anything important stays with me. Medication, electronics, travel documents, one cute outfit, a bathing suit. Because things do get delayed, and hopefully it's not yours. But I'd rather be prepared. Then I review my itinerary. Not because every minute has been planned, but because I don't want to land somewhere wondering, okay, what are we doing? The last thing on my checklist is actually the most important. I ask myself one question. What do I want my trip to feel like? Do I need rest, adventure, luxury, good food, time alone? Because that answer changes how I pack, how I schedule my days, and honestly, how I experience the trip. I realize that I enjoy traveling so much more when I have some intention instead of trying to do every single thing. So that's a checklist that finally stopped me from forgetting something every single trip. And because I know somebody watching this needs it too, I have included a free printable. You can download it using the link in my description. I hope it helps make your next trip just a little bit less stressful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're in trip planning mode, don't stop here. I've put together a whole playlist of travel tips and tricks, from planning a 48-hour getaway while working a 9 to 5 to the travel mistakes that can cost you money. I'll link that playlist right here and down in the description so that you can keep planning more smarter. And as always, you pack, I plan, we outside.